Now, can we use cat command to write to a file? Hello?
Um, we can print, sir, but uh, not sure.
Yeah, you should be able to. I think if you have started on week 2 content, right, you will get to know. Even if you don't get to know, we will discuss it in the like mostly after in week 3. Okay, we can use cat also to write to a file, but there is more you can do, much more you can do with it as well. I hope you guys looked at the command line editors, right? Uh,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, can you show Nano editor? I want to start early because this is an early week 2
Uh,
content, but
yes,
I
sir.
want you to have little bit of information into how to create a file. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah,
So this is the Nano
sir,
editor.
I have a doubt in ED editor.
Ed
Uh,
is okay. What is your doubt?
Sir, in ED, while joining two different lines,
Hmm.
can we join it in reverse order?
Reverse order. Hmm.
Because I tried, but it didn't work.
Because as far as I know, you need to have little bit of experience with regular expression. If you have
Okay, sir.
that, you should be able to do that. I think that will come in your week 4. So try to
Yes,
do
sir.
just simple editing stuff. We will go, more advanced when the week 4 arrives. But
Yes,
it
sir.
is doable just by using regular expressions. Yeah, go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
Yeah, can you just explain what this, caret symbol is? You see at the bottom there are two set of lines, right? Which tells you specifically how you can use
It's
Nano,
the control button basically. It's just
right?
pressing it and holding it.
So when you press Control and then G, it will pop up the help menu, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you do that? So Control and G, it will pop up and it will tell you what it is. Okay, shortcuts are written as follows. Control key sequences are notated with caret symbol and can be entered by using Control key or pressing the Escape key twice. The meta key sequences are noted with M minus. So you have M hyphen Q, right, to go to previous, and M hyphen W to go to next. So if you want to go to the next page, can you press this meta character, which is your what Alt key, Alt key on your keyboard, and then W, right,
Yes.
to go to the next page.
Sir,
Yeah.
are these case sensitive?
No, no, no.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Try doing that in your own terminal, right? Just open up a
Okay, sir.
Nano and open up a help by using Control G, and then try moving between the pages and moving between the lines.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what does this next and previous does, Aditya? Have you checked?
It's giving this a prompt. No current search pattern.
Okay. So this is for the searching, right? If you search, then you can use previous and next. Your previous page and next page is Control Y and Control V, right?
Yeah.
In Nano, you can simply use arrow keys as well, okay, to move around in a file. But it is good habit to learn the build a muscle memory for a particular editor of your choice. Okay, Nano usually will be available on most of the distribution. Nano, VI, and maybe not Emacs, but VI will definitely will be there. If not Vim. Okay, so just try creating, say, you know. Um, can you go to? Can you close this? It says that Control and X you have to press, right, to close it. This help text. Yeah. Now in here, can you just put two commands, right? Maybe put mkdir test directory 1.
mkdir what?
Test directory one. I want to create a test directory.
Okay.
Maybe test dir one. Then enter. Then you do cd into that directory. Test dir into one. Maybe I want to create a file here, touch, and a file name say file1.txt, or maybe file1 is simple enough, is also okay. Then enter. Then cd dot dot, and then maybe I want to execute a tree command, tree hyphen l1, capital L 1. Now you save this file. How do you save it? It says to write out, you have to do Control O. Okay, now it says, okay, I have done that. So name of the file to write. So write a name, maybe test script script dot sh. Even if you put sh or dot sh, is fine. Okay, enter. Okay, now it has written the 6 lines to it. Now can you exit? Control X, right? So can you cat the content of that file? Hmm. Right? These contents are there. Now, can you make this file executable? You are from user group, right? Not the others group. So you need to give yourself the executable permission, right? Now you do ls-l,
Yes, sir.
right? You see that now you have executable permission,
It's an executable file now.
right? Now to execute this file, you have to do dot slash test script dot sh. Okay, did you put L1?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, just maybe remove that particular line from this particular file. Just remove that. Go down.
Do I remove L1 as it is, or should I remove the entire line?
You can remove entire line. So you're just pushing backspace, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you need to save it again. How will you save? Control O, right? Hmm. Now you try running it. Oh, it already created test directory, right? It
Oh,
was,
yeah, yeah.
you only had issue in the last one.
So I'll just
So
remove it.
no,
Remove
no.
test.
Let it be. Let it be. Can you just run tree hyphen L in here on dot? I think dot was missing after that. Hyphen L. L1. No, L1.
Yeah, yeah. L1.
Uh, Can you
Level,
put a
let's
space?
see. Space after L.
Yeah, try giving a space after that.
Yeah, it worked.
So it tells you that what we have done, what we put into that file. Can you cat it? Cat the content of the file. So what I wanted to demonstrate you, right? This is pretty early, but from the get-go, I want you to understand one thing. Okay, shell script is nothing but you putting commands one after another. Okay, the operation set of operations you want to do. Okay, this is missing one important line which should be at the beginning of the script, which tells where the bash is located. Okay. Mm. So where the bash is located, okay, that you will learn eventually. But the point here I am trying to make is that you can clearly see that what I wanted to do was make a directory. I want to go into that directory and I wanted to create a file in that directory, and I wanted to get out of that directory. All these thing operations were conducted just by executing the script, right? So if you are worried about what scripting is, what script is, how a file is created, how it is executed, it is as simple as this. Okay, which is why you need to learn the editor very early on, and try doing all of these simple things, right? A set of commands you may want to, like, whatever you have learned, say, in that file, can you add uh, ncal or maybe date command or something of that sort, the commands you have learned.
Uh, Aditya, you could have also used there where you like
Yeah,
used first deleted the file then directory. You could have used rm my flag r.
R, right?
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Just do cal is also fine, even if ncal is not there. Do with cal is also not there.
This I
Which bash
I
are you
had
on?
done it once because this currently I am using a Raspberry Pi, so it's not working here.
Mm-hmm.
But earlier I'd done it in MX Linux. It worked there.
Mm-hmm. So
So I
maybe
think
this
it
Yeah,
differs from
no,
OS to
you
OS.
have minimalistic installation here. Unnecessary
Yeah, yeah, yes.
applications are
no,
being installed here.
you missed the first line. I saw that. Locating the bash.
Yeah, how do you locate the bash?
That line is missing in your
Yes.
SH.
So that you will learn. That's what I said, right? As you go along the course. Because in here, I am assuming that you're running bash as your script. Okay. Usually, what it will be? The first line, Prasanna.
Bin slash bash. Yeah. Dot slash bin.
It will have a hash and an exclamation mark, right? So that's
Yes.
how the shell script starts.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Then a slash and then a bin. You need to give an absolute path, right? In a root directory, you have bin. In that directory, you have bash, right?
Yeah.
Can you run which bash? Just save this and
Yes,
run
sir.
which bash. Yeah, Madhur, go ahead.
So even like when you just type bash, like
Hmm.
instead of giving bin or slash or anything, it automatically shifts to the bash uh, terminal.
Who? No, no. Can you come again?
So like when I use it on my ZSS terminal, like I
Hmm.
just give the command bash and it
Hmm.
automatically switches to uh, like bash terminal.
Yeah, yeah. So you must have put bash and then ran the script, right?
Yes, sir.
For
So you
running
are
bash
essentially
dot slash.
changing. You're changing your what do you call session from ZSS to bash, and in bash, then you can run it. But a standard way, it's always recommended when you write a bash script, right? You should put this as your first line. So when you do which bash, right, it says that it is in user bin bash. That's what it should be in your first line after hash and exclamatory mark. It is just telling where the interpreter is. Bash is your interpreter, right? Just like in Python is also an interpreted language, right? Similarly, you can write a Python code. How many of you are done with Python course here? Can you raise your hand?
So like not in this degree, right?
Yeah, yeah, no. Like, have you done Python anywhere?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I want to put an interpreter here, how will you do? Do you have Python in it,
Oh,
Aditya? Hello.
your mic is off, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
You
do
have
have it.
Python, right? Can you run a
Yeah.
simple hello world command here with interpreter there?
Yes, sir. I'll do it.
This is just to demonstrate that in other languages also you can put your interpreted language here and run your uh, code right from here. It is doable. Maybe you can look into it and see. That is why this Linux platform is very powerful compared to others. For C language also it becomes very powerful. Okay. Anything else which we are missing, which is very important from week one?